Hello from the Interconnect Mortgage Team. We are a highly knowledgeable group of mortgage professionals who pride ourselves on top-notch communication. We work to provide homeowners with the highest quality of home loans. We are dedicated to educating you on the mortgage process. Please enjoy this video. There are many reasons to refinance your existing mortgage, and even though interest rates are not as low as they may have been during the pandemic, they are still low compared to where they were before the pandemic. This means it could still be a good time for you to refinance and find significant savings. Mortgage rates are continuously in flux from week to week, and unexpected drops or increases sometimes happen. The general trend points to rising interest rates in the near future. Despite this, however, interest rates are still below pre-pandemic levels, so those looking to finance may still be able to get a good deal. So what is refinancing? Refinancing a mortgage is when you take out a new loan to replace your existing one. You'll keep your current house, but you'll have a new mortgage with potentially different terms. There are many reasons to refinance, including getting a lower interest rate, moving from an adjustable rate to a fixed rate, eliminating PMI or private mortgage insurance, shortening the term of your mortgage so you can pay it off sooner, increasing the term of your mortgage to lower your monthly payment. How does refinancing work? When you refinance your mortgage, you're getting a new loan to replace your existing mortgage. You will be required to go through many of the steps and qualifications that you did when you purchased your home, such as completing an application, submitting income verification, underwriting, home appraisal, and closing. There are requirements you will need to meet, such as credit score, debt-to-income ratio, and employment history. When you refinance, you can choose to go with your original lender or find a new one. You will also need to have enough equity in your home, typically at least 20%, to qualify for a refinance. Keep in mind that you'll also need to pay closing costs and fees, which can be 3 to 6% of the loan's value. What is a good mortgage refinance rate? Well, there's no set standard for a good refinance rate. Generally, a refinance rate should be at least 1% lower than your current mortgage rate for refinancing to make sense. But you'll need to crunch the numbers to truly understand whether a refinance makes sense for you. If you have other debt, like credit cards to pay off, it may make sense to refinance and pay off your outstanding debt to lower your overall monthly payments. If you decide to refinance, keep in mind that even though average interest rates are low right now, the specific rates you may get will depend on personal factors like your credit score and debt-to-income ratio. If a refinance is part of your financial plans, now is an ideal time to do it. Here are 2 reasons why you should refinance right now. The first, which is historically low interest rates. Today's refinance rates are no longer at the rock bottom level of the early months of the pandemic, but they can still be a good deal compared to pre-pandemic times. However, experts predict interest rates will rise, so the window of opportunity may be closing soon. The sooner you lock in a rate, the more likely you are to save. The second reason is the outlook of an economic recovery on the horizon. In 2020, the pandemic-induced recession and the resulting economic uncertainty caused some homeowners to hold off on refinancing because the refinancing process can take several months to complete. Those worried about job stability may have felt it best to wait until things were more stable. Economic recovery is on the horizon. Those who might not have been in a position to refinance last year may now have the chance. Ultimately, the best time to refinance is the time that works best for your personal goals and financial picture. If you can get a lower interest rate and afford the closing costs, a refinance could help you save on your monthly payment. The best advice is to meet with a state licensed loan originator to find out the options. We have the opportunity of taking advantage of these historically low interest rates. It's worth your time to at least call and find out what your options are. The process is not as difficult as you may think, and it could lower your monthly payment. Thanks for watching. We are here to answer your questions and help you through the process. You can reach us online at www.interconnectmortgage.com. We look forward to working with you.